Late this afternoon at the Supreme Court, there was some drama as City Lawyer Harrison Kinyanjui stormed the Supreme Court registry following reports that lawyers representing the civil society group was attempting to file additional documents, notwithstanding that time had run out by the stroke of midnight yesterday. The lawyers represent Njonjo Mue, the chairman of the International Commission of Jurists, and activist Khelef Khalif, whose petition had been filed yesterday. Kinyanjui claims that this was illegal and contravened strict Supreme Court rules. In their petition, the civil society argues that the October 26th poll was not conducted in strict conformity with the Constitution and applicable laws as directed by the Supreme Court on September 1st. And wants the court to declare that Uhuru Kenyatta was not validly elected and that the declaration by IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati is thus null and void.
Yes, they are.
The other petition has been filed by Harun Mwau. In his documents, Mwau says that the IEBC violated the law by failing to subject candidates to nomination, thereby violating the Constitution by denying Kenyans the right to vote or contest for presidency. Earlier, activist Okia Mtata had filed his own petition seeking a determination on whether the IEBC could still organize an election after NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga and his deputy vacated the exercise. Okia also wanted the court to stop the election. The court ordered the petitioner to serve all the respondents, who included presidential candidates. Third Way Alliance's Ekuru Court has since responded, dismissing the case as baseless and one that lacks merit. But even as the petitioners work around the clock to serve the respondents with only a day left, a cross petition by the Institute of Governance wants the Supreme Court to hold Raila Odinga and other NASA leaders for committal of election offences. In their petition, filed by lawyer Kyoko Kilukumi, the Institute claims that the violence that was witnessed in different parts of the country resulted from the call by NASA leaders to their supporters to boycott the election. At the same time, the IEBC says it has replaced some of the lawyers who represented it in the last presidential petition. Lawyers Paul Muite, PLO Lumumba, and Paul Nyamodi will not be participating in these proceedings. The IEBC has until midnight tomorrow to supply the Supreme Court with all the documents used to declare Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy president. The documents include, but are not limited to, the original and copies of Forms 34A and 34B. The respondents, on the other hand, have 4 days to file their responses beginning Thursday. The court will then have a pre-trial hearing on Sunday or Monday next week, where they will deal with interlocutory applications, including those interested in the case, and pick out issues to be determined in the main hearing. The court will also use the day to fix a date for the main hearing. Ken Mijungu, NTV.